Hi friends, I am from Puducherry. The purpose of this video is to tell you all that how we won the dreaded corona by isolating ourselves is the main reason why I speak to you all. Corona came into our house as an uninvited guest. The same fear and nervousness all of us have at this moment was experienced by us also. When dad had fever, we went to the public health center nearby and took a medical test. We were told that the test result will come in 2 days. As a precaution, all of us went into self isolation for 2 days. Doctors told that dad is a positive case. As advised by the doctor, all other family members also took the corona test.
The other family members received a negative result when our father, who had done everything for us, was tested positive. We decided that this is not an end of life, but it was a beginning of a challenge.
First, we chose a well ventilated room in our first floor. We decided that dad should find safety in his own house. Then we chose the books he liked. Jayaganthan stories, Prabhanjan stories, Vanam Vasapadum, Pondicherry books. With care, we chose the books he liked. He loves books, and we thought that he may now immerse himself in good literature. He felt very comfortable in his nest. In the days of corona, self-isolation in this way will reduce tension. There is no doubt about this. Then we placed cell phone, aqua check, spectacles, footwear, medicines, tonic, telephone in the room. Then we stocked his clothes in his almirah and also provided the facility to see the favorite films. He felt very comfortable.
As advised by the doctors, we placed bleaching powder, dustbin with 2 covers, sanitizer, broomstick, mop, mask, and a separate cover for medical waste was placed in his room. First, we isolated him. We explained gently to make him confident. He was particular and cautious that the family members should not contact the virus from him. He also advised us to be cheerful and careful. His words gave us enthusiasm and happiness.
We decided not to commit any mistake due to nervousness and fear. There is nothing to hide or feel ashamed of it. We informed our neighbors about our decision in this matter, elaborately over phone. Whatever may be our reading on isolation and understanding about corona, when it comes to us, it was a challenge to face it in reality.
We bought a finger pulse oximeter as per the advice of doctors. We checked the oxygen levels in the blood daily. Through cell phone video call, I advised Dad what to do. He also informed me after some hours about the vitals and oxygen saturation levels. Even during the night time, I will keep the alarm twice and will enquire Dad about his pulse oximeter levels. All these readings were sent to the doctor by WhatsApp. Further, the primary healthcare center workers will enquire about my dad's health. They also advise me to contact them if any problem in dad's health arises.
In our house, all were wearing masks. The garbage of the house was safely deposited in the 2 full special bags. The masks, medical waste were safely sealed in a plastic bags, and after 14 days it was sent to biomedical waste.
Simple food was prepared by my sister-in-law, particularly fruits, vegetables, greens, pulses, protein-enriched milk were cooked for my dad, and we also took such food and medicines for enhancing immunity. Dad cooperated with us well. He took the food placed outside his room. We used to talk to him daily through phone and made him happy.
The first few days of isolation went very slowly, but it gained speed afterwards. Dad's health got improved under doctor's supervision and advice. We also remained hale and healthy.
During these times, our neighbors gave us faith and affection. Daily they used to talk to my uncle. They stood near the kitchen but stayed away behind the compound walls to give words of solace to me and my family.
Our neighbors gave their cooked greens, veg soup, and other food items by placing them in a bag that hung outside our house.
This is not a house in isolation. By self-isolation, this house saved others.
Due to the combination of love of neighbors, affection of relatives, and fondness of friends, the affected person gets emboldened in mind and body. In 2 weeks, my dad was fully cured.
As my sister told, we should show love and affection to our neighbors. Be friendly to each other. Get rid of the fear. At last, we will win the corona. With all your blessings. Jai Hind.